How to use Union Bank Virtual Credit Card. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. In this video, I will guide you on how you can use Union Bank Virtual Credit Card. For this, you can either open the Union Bank app or you can also open up any web browser and head over to Union Bank's official website. Now, once you're here, you first of all want to log into your account. So go ahead and enter your username and password and tap on the login option. Once you have been logged into your account, you want to navigate to the credit card section. There you will find the option of virtual credit card. Go ahead and tap on that. Now you want to generate your virtual card. For that, you want to select your preferred spending limit and the bank will generate a virtual card number. Now you can check out your virtual card details from the app or website. All you want to do is choose a card, then tap on manage card. Now you want to enter the OTP code and see the card information. Now you can use the virtual card for different purchases. For this, you want to use the virtual card details such as number, CVV and expiry date. After entering the details, you may need to complete an OTP verification process for added security. Now, the benefit of Union Bank's virtual credit card is that it provides enhanced security. The virtual card doesn't expose your real card details online. It also has limited validity, which minimizes the risk as the card expires soon after use. It also has controlled spending, so you can set a specific spending limit over there. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.